Welcome. In front of me I have Honor Choice watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon, this one. And this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, you can tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the message right here at the top, DND mode on. Also the icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And as you can see, also on the watch face, the Do Not Disturb mode icon is appeared, telling you that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, open the quick panel, tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon. You will see the message DND mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also do this through the settings. So if we press the side button, open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings we can scroll down, and I believe it's going to be in, let's say, sounds and vibrations. Yes, here we have the Do Not Disturb mode. We can tap on it and we can enable it and disable it. One thing you can do once you enable the mode is that you can basically also create a schedule for it. So if you enable the schedule option, you will be able to set some time on which the Do Not Disturb mode turns on and the time on which it turns off. Basically you will have like a time period in which the Do Not Disturb mode is active. And you can tap on the start time, set it by swiping up and down on arrow, on hours, not arrow, hours and minutes. So let's set it to something like 10:30 p.m. and the end time 7, maybe 8:30 a.m. So it will turn on at 10:30 p.m. and turn off at 8:30 a.m. Of course, if you want to disable the schedule, you simply tap on the switch right here, like that. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.